guess it.
Hello, I'm Ariana.
Hi, I'm Lily.
Hi, my name's Molly.
Hi, my name's Alicia.
Hi, my name is Josieli. Our objective today is how do I identify, categorize triangles. Our mathematical practices are model with mathematicals, use appropriate tools, strategically look for and make use of the structure.
This is a right triangle, and it's called a right triangle because, as you can see, it has only one right angle, and the rest are all acute angles. Now, as we look at the triangles, we identify that there are only two lines that are congruent. And we have one line over here that's not congruent. But we need to figure out the how much the angles are. So we know that a right angle is 90 degrees. And a whole triangle a whole square has four 90-degree angles. And this is half of 90 degrees. So this is half of 360 degrees. Half of 360 degrees is 180 degrees. So we know that a whole triangle is 180 degrees tall. To figure out how much the acute angles are, we need to subtract 180 minus 90. And now we need to divide 90 by 2 because there are two acute angles.
Beautiful.
So,
Do you want to do long division?
we'll do long division. We got 45 degrees because half of 90 is 45, because you can't do 50 plus 50 to make it equal numbers. So 45 to 90, which makes the acute angles 45 degrees.
Now all together,
Altogether,
45 plus 45
is 90 degrees.
equals our total of
80 degrees.
Very good.
90 plus 40, 90 plus 90, adding 45 together gives 80 degrees, and that gives us a whole degree of 100.
Very good. All right, let's move on to our equilateral triangle.
This is our equilateral triangle.
An equilateral triangle has congruent lines.
Can you tell us what congruent means again, Alicia?
Congruent means that all the sides of the shape are equal.
And what does that mean? If all the sides are equal, what does that tell us about the angles?
That's our answer. All triangles are 180.
So, if we said that all the angles are the same, and there's 180 degrees, what do we do to find out the size of each of our angles?
Since there are three angles, we're going to divide
Okay, do we want to, and I think we can do that using mental math, because if we slice the 0, 18 divided by 3, and now add your 0 back in. And what type of angle is that?
An acute angle, and there's only 3 acute angles.
3 acute angles. And do those angles in the triangle look like they're acute?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so we can double check our work that way.
Good luck. Don't forget to write your summary.
So